बड़ी देर से एक लाइन में खड़े हुए थे और करीब 30 मिनट के करीब खड़ा होने के बाद हमको पता चला कि वो लाइन तो सिर्फ नाइकी के स्टोर के लिए है। तो हमने सोचा कि उस so then now we are making a move towards the entrance of the store. This is what happens. तो अभी सपना कह रही है कि मैं भी पहली बार आई हूँ ऐसी बड़ी सेल में. So anyway, let's go and have a look. Try to enter. So here we are trying to make our entry into the DFO. Queue here. Queue everywhere. And हर क्यू के अंदर लगना पड़ेगा. लगने के बाद आपको शॉपिंग करने का मौका मिलेगा. भीड़ बहुत है, प्रोडक्ट्स भी बहुत हैं. सेल seems to be quite good, up to 40, up to 50, plus additional some discount. And it's like a kind of a मेला, कुंभ का मेला शॉपिंग का. तो चलिए बॉक्सिंग डे सेल दिखाते हैं आपको. देखिए पीछे कैसे लोग ऊपर नीचे हो रहे हैं. So we are going to enter the Coach store. People are just rushing inside and trying to pick the things. When they go inside, then there is no option but only to pick up from the items which are just lying there. And a lot of rush. I think the initial euphoria of entering into this particular sale is pretty high. And as the time advances, then I can see that people are now calming themselves down. Yes, they have come inside और उनको यहाँ पे दिखनी शुरू हो गई हैं चीज़ें जो ज़रूरी है वो लेंगे. But yes, I can see that the store is disappearing. Boy, with the first buy of the mega sale, here it is, the Coach. और मैं खड़ा हूँ एक लंबी सी लाइन में जहाँ पे कि मेरा नंबर अभी लग जाएगा और उसके बाद कार्ड स्वाइप और ये बैग हमारा. देखिए सेल का आनंद, भीड़ का आनंद, स्टोर के अंदर हंगामा ही हंगामा. और बहुत एक यूनिक चीज़ ये है कि ये जो कोच के जो बैग्स यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं इनमें बहुतों के ऊपर लिखा है मेड इन इंडिया. और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये है मेरा कोच. कार्ड goes out and we are ready to pay. With the first purchase of the day, 2 Coach bags and time to move on. So in the Coach we meet Muskan. Muskan आपको पता है means smile.
Yes.
And Muskan has been helping us a lot. So we got 2 wonderful bags and Muskan has been saying buy everything. Why are you leaving?
I mean, that's my job.
Yeah, I know. You've been working in this store for long?
Not this one. I normally work in David Jones. Yeah, so I'm normally there, but today I'm here. Yeah.
Where are you from, Muskan, otherwise?
I'm from India as well.
India where?
Yeah, Punjab.
Keda pind?
You're from Punjab as well? Oh my goodness. So my dad's from near Jalandhar, and my mum's from Bathinda.
Oh,
Yeah.
fabulous. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਰਸੋਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਗ ਤੇ ਮੱਕੇ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾਂਦੇ
I
ਹੋ?
don't like saag.
She doesn't like saag?
Not my favorite. I don't mind though. Like I love Indian cooking.
Yeah.
Favorite would be Rajma chawal.
Rajma chawal. So basically you grew up here, right?
Yeah, but I do speak Punjabi. I'm just a little bit camera shy.
Okay.
Just because I'm not that good. Yeah.
All right. Thank you for being part of my
That's
YouTube
so
channel.
That's so fun.
And
Yeah.
we really, the first shopping of the day, Coach. And when we entered, it was Muskan who
Yeah.
welcomed us.
That's so good. Of
Thank
course,
you.
happy to help. Yeah.
ब्रांड फुरला. और फुरला के अंदर इट इज़ 1-on-1 सर्विस. तो कई बार आपको ऐसे भी स्टोर्स दिखेंगे जहाँ पर सिर्फ एक आदमी को वो लोग अंदर ले रहे हैं. बट सेल 50% स्टोर वाइड सेल. मतलब एवरी प्रोडक्ट is on 50% off. Great. That is why people are waiting very patiently and not making a fuss about the whole thing. Sale. Everywhere sale. $10. Good music in the stores. Pacey. तो जो सुबह का जो रश था वो 2 घंटे के अंदर मेरे को वो रश कम होता हुआ दिख रहा है. काम हो गए लोग. जो एंट्री के टाइम में जो एक एंग्जाइटी होती है कि अंदर क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, अंदर आने के बाद आई थिंक मोर और लेस पीपल हैव रियलाइज्ड कि the sale is definitely there. And secondly, not all the items you would get what you would have probably bucketed in these stores anticipating for the sale, because it can be a selective sale, it can be on certain pieces, and then very few fresh arrivals. So basically they are trying to clear off the stock. शॉपिंग कर कर के आप देख सकते हैं कि लोग अब सीढ़ियों पे बैठने लग गए हैं और बैक टू देयर मोबाइल्स, साइन ऑफ एग्जॉशन, और दे नो व्हाट टू डू, क्योंकि उनके साथ जो पार्टनर्स आए होंगे वो स्टोर के अंदर, कुछ स्टोर बिल्कुल अपने प्राइसेस को एकदम स्लैश कर देते हैं, नथिंग ओवर $30, नथिंग ओवर $10. सो आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर द बिगेस्ट फुटफॉल इज़. बट अदरवाइज द डील्स ऑफ द डे आर नॉट बैड टुडे. काफ़ी चीज़ें मिल रही हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सामान डिस्प्ले पर है, एंड पीपल आर स्टैंडिंग वेरी पोलाइटली इन द क्यूज़. यू कैन सी वेटिंग फॉर देयर टर्न टू कम, एंड nobody seems to be bumping over the other person. A lot on offer. Okay, so I have Rafa from ABC News, and how fortunate I am that I am featuring on ABC News today.
ABC
So
News?
yes, so ask me anything.
Yeah, of course. So what have you bought like
Well,
this Christmas Day?
I
Like
have,
Boxing Day?
for the first ever time in my life, I've bought a sling bag. So I'm a former military officer from India, and ran submarines for the Indian Navy for a very, very long time. Never bought a sling bag in my life because I was very comfortable with everything in my pockets, more secure. So I bought a sling bag, and my wife, she's crazy about bags, shoes. So you can see every variant out here.
Amazing.
Overall, a fantastic experience coming all the way from India to enjoy this Boxing Day here.
Amazing. What time did you arrive?
Well, we started from where we are staying in central Melbourne at about 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
to be on time, and then got into a queue, and we waited in the queue for 45 minutes till somebody came and announced that this is only for Nike. So then we had to really, bow out and give the privilege to the people behind to get 3 spots, and then came to the main door. And since then we've been inside. Fantastic.
Amazing. Do you guys have Boxing Day back in India?
No, not at all. And the brands that we are seeing here, we never get those kind of discounts in India. And we keep asking them that why you don't do it, but they simply do not. So this is what it's been a steal deal for us.
Amazing. Yeah. Do you think it's worth it to wait in line?
Well,
Go up in the morning?
I think yes, it was quite worth it because you get up early. The temperatures were soaring today, 28 degrees. For me, it's very pleasant because I come from India. We see more heat than this, and the crowd that you see. And the best part is that everyone looks so peaceful. People are standing in the queue. Nobody is pushing each other. And the best part was to find the parking. The parking was super easy.
Amazing. And what will you be buying next?
Look, I'm looking for some adventure clothing for myself, for my running. I'm looking for some Under Armour. So I'm just trying to look for an Under Armour store, or go to probably an Adidas and buy a nice tracksuit for myself. I can pamper myself now that I have gray hair.
Amazing. Cool. You're so good. Amazing. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, my honor, and my YouTube channel also gets, covered up by these folks. So I think maybe I'll also get some good views this time.
For sure.
Thank you, Rafa.
Thank you so much.
Any
What's
other
your name,
questions?
sorry?
My name is Commander Arun Jyoti.
Amazing. Commander.
Yeah.
Love that. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Sorry.
इसको राइट जाना.
Thank you.
Okay, so 5 hours later, we are out of DFO. Shopping done. People are still coming in, and whether they'll find parking spot or not, we don't know. But I think it's already full.